Araw talaga. Ikaw, Giancarlo,
JC.
paano ka nag-practice?
Or nagpe-prepare para
Everyday din
dito
ba
sa
nagpa-practice
competition?
Opo.
Pinaprepare ka ng mom and dad mo?
Opo.
Talaga? Pinapakinggan nila
Opo.
pag nagpa-practice ka?
Opo.
Pwede bang pakinggan din namin yung kakantahin mo ngayon?
Opo.
Bigyan mo kami ng sample.
Oo.
Pwede po.
Pwede?
Sige,
Sige,
pwede,
sige.
pwede,
Ha,
pwede.
please. Paringgan mo naman kami ng awit mo.
Game.
Game.
Oh, tingin ka doon sa camera.
Yes.
Go.
Circus love under the big top world. We all need the clouds to make us smile. Through space and time, always another show. Wonder where I am, I'm lost without you. And being apart ain't easy on this love affair. Two strangers learn to fall in love again. I get the joy of rediscovering you. Oh, girl, just stand by me.
Okay. Stand by me. Stand by me, tama? Okay. Okay.
Parang hindi pa siya tapos.
Hindi pa ba tapos yun? Okay, go.
Forever yours,
Iyon.
faithfully.
Yun,
Yung faithfully. Yung
What's
pala
the title of the song?
Age nilang yan, yung isa last time, 5 years old. Ngayon, 7 sa kids. Tapos, itong 18, ang taas ng birit ng song, no? So, lahat sila, as of today, preliminary winners. Correct?
That's right. Grand finalists.
Grand finalists. So, this coming Sunday, what's gonna happen? Please tell us.
We are inviting everyone to come and watch us the Voice Campus Edition. It's an inter-school solo singing competition, Grand Showdown, that will be held on August 11, and it will be at Atrium of Robinson's Place, Antipolo.
Atrium.
Sa
of
Atrium.
Providence.
Atrium.
What
yes.
time is it?
Place.
It's going to start at exactly 2 p.m.
2 p.m. All right.
Yeah. And of course, yung mga gustong manood will be treated with some freebies from our sponsors.
Okay.
Oo, manonood na sila, busog
Yeah,
pa sila.
busog pa. Tayo na
Courtesy of Mogo Mogo. There's also other sponsors.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Yan.
Wow,
So,
wow.
iniimbitahan po kayo na this coming Sunday,
Para sa grand finals.
2 o'clock. It will start at 2 o'clock. Agahan nyo po dahil baka mawala na kayong upuan sa dami ng manonood. Dahil sa
Yes.
kamag-anak pa lang po nila at saka mga kaklase nila
Kabarangay.
from sa school, puno yun.
Yes.
Okay.
True.
Okay.
True.
Oras na siguro para magpasalamat naman tayo
Yes,
sa mga
ating mga nakato. Teka, pagka gustong mag-enroll,
yun pala.
Coach
Oo.
Binky sa The Voice Academy of the Philippines, ano
web
daw ang
page?
tatawagan? Anong page ang kanilang kokontakin?
Okay. Sa mga gusto pong ma-enhance yung kanilang talento, you can call 0917-7250557 or 0920-952-8231, or you may visit our fan page of Voice Academy, the Facebook. You just have to type the Voice Academy of the Philippines, Inc. And of course, we'll see you there.
Yes, I
Alright.
understand also they're giving away parang scholarship para dun sa mga gustong may boses na pero i-enhance pa yung boses. Okay.
We are actually offering our services for kids, teens, and adults, and those who have, syempre with spectrum of autism, mga
Yun,
kids
yun.
with special needs.
Yes.
We have also a scholarship program waiting for you all. So if you guys would want to try it, you just have to call the number that we just mentioned.
Yes.
And
Okay.
Wow.
On that note, we
Yes.
would like to thank everyone.
Yes.
Lalo na yung mga nakasama natin
Yes,
sa
newsroom, sa production, sa engineering, buong puwersa po ng Aliw Broadcasting Corporation. Maraming salamat, Chairman D. Edgar A. Cabangon. Maraming salamat po at EVP GM, Attorney McNeil Rante. At Yes, sa inyong lahat. Tutukan po ang Senyor Balita with Senyor Ray Pacheco.
Ang Senyor ng Bayan.
Susunod na po. This is Lady Eliza saying thank you all so much for your active participation and your precious time. Enjoy God's very best daily because He loves you very, very
Much. Sundan niyo po kaming muli sa susunod na Wednesday para sa isa na namang edisyon ng Pilipinas
Ngayon
na!
Thank
See you again.
all. God bless you.
Thank you for
May puso, Pilipinas na ganda, hawak kamay kasama mo.
2, 1, 0.
Mabuhay Voice Academy of the Philippines! Yay!
2, 1, 0.
Mabuhay